You just wanted to show off.
My awesome quads. I don't
Maybe
think
it's
scare anyone.
oblique.
Okay.
Oh wait, maybe it's on the back.
Yeah, maybe it's on the back. It is
Okay, this is the APL blight projections of your knee. You're going to rotate the knee internal 45 degrees and then an external 45 degrees. You're going to angle your tube 5 just like you're doing a knee.
That's 10.
Okay.
Excuse me. I was looking at Sasha while I was angling. Oh, it's fine. Can you scoot up there a little, man?
I don't think it clicked.
Okay, your centering point is going to be a 1/2 inch distal to the apex of the patella, like you're doing it. So, patella right there, and you're going to rotate outward 45 degrees, inward 45 degrees. That one's pretty simple. Do you have any questions about that? Okay. See if there's anything else I need to tell you about that one.